is up, guys? Welcome back and to the channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in today. So we are up here in the big shop yet again. Like I said, the last video, I think about 80 to 85% of the videos I shoot are up in this shop, so I'm glad we have it. But today we're actually going to be continuing the series where we work on the shop. About 12-14 months ago, Dad and I started this project. We decided why not make a bigger shop, since I started getting more and more busy with auto body and detailing and stuff. We wanted a spot where we could pull the farm equipment in the winter too and service it, get everything ready. Our little shop down there, it's nice, but it's just not this big. So we decided, why not turn the old tool shed into what it is now. We poured concrete in it probably 8 months ago, 9 months ago, maybe a little longer, I'm not sure. Started insulating the walls, built the office, got our storage up above it, got all the ceiling and stuff done. But we are actually going to be working on these two walls and building the door here today. We wanted to keep this open for doors just because in case we needed to pull anything through this way we could, since the only door is that big one down there and the one right there in front of the trailer. So we decided to do like a barn style sliding door on this wall. We do have a heater up here. They actually got done putting it in this past week. It runs off of the LP tank that we brought from Dad's house. He swapped over to geothermal energy. So the LP tank's just on the other side of that wall. The heater we have is a Mr. Heater Big Max. We bought it Black Friday shopping last year. It's a 50,000 BTU unit. I think it's like a 1,250 or 1,500 square foot heating, or capable of heating. So we got that hooked up, but we have our thermostat here, and we're actually going to be working on enclosing these walls, putting bad insulation up, stapling it, and then closing all this up, both sides, then actually working on the barn doors. So then we can start using that bad boy more during the winter. Like I said, we can pull the farm equipment in, service it if we need to change the oil in the pickup truck, whatever. It's not 40 degrees in here. But I just want to bring you guys along. We're going to be working on it. We don't have a lot of light over there yet, but I'm going to try and get as much footage as I can. Like I said, it's just going to be a lot of putting like insulation and stuff in. But other than that, that's it, guys. So sit back and stay tuned, and I'll bring you guys up to date in a little bit. Want to put another board up real quick? Sure. I'm going to give you guys a quick update here. Let me come back this way. So as you can tell, we got that wall almost finished up other than that corner. This side we got the insulation all in, and then we got to put another board up, and then we're gonna run our track system or start building our doors here. But I think it's going pretty smooth so far. We were gonna put plywood up on this side, but plywood's so expensive and no one's gonna see this side. Basically all we're doing is putting this paneling up to keep rodents out of the insulation walls and stuff. We got to finish that corner over there with this small piece, and then right down there there's probably a 2-foot span we got to finish. But other than that, we're pretty much solid, ready to start hanging the track system, start building the doors, and then hopefully everything else just kind of falls into place here. So little update for you guys there real quick, and then we're going to get back at it. Yes, just what Dad said. I don't know if you guys heard him or not. But we got the door pretty much framed out other than putting our top, what, 4 inches maybe?
Probably
8 inches up there, both sides, but it's insulated. And then our track system's over there in a box. Probably won't get those up tonight. We're just gonna try and get both doors built, and then at least we'd be able to set them up over here. But what we were talking about is we might have to get, what, 2x6s? 2x6s, and maybe have to double plate them. So get 4 2x6 by 12 foot, because those track systems, you have 12 feet each side. So you have 6 feet here, 6 feet there, and then the door will slide. So 12 total feet, 12 total feet over there. And we're gonna have the width of the 2x4 here. So that piece there, here. So we'll have to kind of play with how far our track system will be kicked out and stuff. So we may only need 1 2x6 up there, and the track might kick it out far enough, or we might have to do 2 2x6s up there. We'll just have to play with it. But like I said, we're gonna try and get the other door finished up, and then probably call it quits. What is it, 8 o'clock or so?
about 8:30.
So 8:30. I mean, now that we know exactly what we're basically have to do, this next door should go pretty quick. So yeah, that's where we're at. So here's a prime example, guys. While you always measure twice and cut once, you can tell we got a little overhang there. No, that was Dad's dad joke of the night. He thought it was funny.
You're
so
welcome.
no, this door is, I'd guess probably what, 150 pounds, maybe a little more. I mean, it's a heavy door. We were concerned.
Heavier than what we anticipated.
Because we were concerned if we have that big door open, in that door there's a wind draft that comes through here. We were worried about the doors getting blown and just being a nuisance, but I think they're gonna be fine, especially once we get the track up there. Even if we stick like a little rolly wheel down here to kind of keep it in place, I don't think we'll have an issue at all. So
We can put latches on it too.
yeah, just something to pull them tight. But no, they're definitely coming together. So, but Dad wanted to share his little dad joke there. So
You're welcome.
so we got it in place, guys. The door, it's kind of awkward. I don't know, maybe 150-ish pounds. It's just real tall and awkward. But here's what it looks like. Let me step back a little bit so you can get a better view. There it is. We're definitely gonna have to beef up our top post there. When we did this, we did stick our 2x6s on top of our 2x4s. So each side here, it's a double 2x4. So it's plated nice. But what Dad was talking about is we might have to take another 2x4 on the inside of those ones and actually run up and catch the truss there. So it's kind of helping hold it. Like I said, they're not super heavy. They're just real awkward. Because, I mean, you're talking, how tall is this?
It's
104 inches. So
yeah, about 9 feet.
yeah, so 9 feet here. Yeah, so you're 6 feet wide, 9 feet tall, and it's this material we use has like a slick finish to it, so it's real hard to grab. You almost have to like sandwich your hands like this and try and lift it. But I think it looks good. It definitely looks complete. I don't know what your...
I think it looks better than it does. I mean, the goal is to
keep heat in.
Heat and seal things off. And
so
we're not going to be going through it on a daily basis. So.
Well, that's the thing. I mean, they're probably going to be shut 90% of the time.
Yeah, probably 99% of the time.
So, and that's the thing. We decided, or Dad mentioned, why don't we stick this little 7.5 inch piece that we cut at the bottom because it matches like the baseboard. So that's what we did there. We were gonna stick it at the top, but then you would all, I mean, you would only seen like yay much, but it is about as broad as it is long. I think it looks good. It definitely, I think it's gonna serve its purpose. So now we just need to get some paint on it to match the walls and stuff, and maybe get a giant Termullian Hay Farm or Alice Chalmers decal or something on there, but definitely coming together. So I think that's probably where we're gonna end it. I don't think we're gonna...
9 o'clock sharp.
So, but that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I wanna give you guys a little bit of an update on the shop since you guys have seen it from the start. So that being said, if you are new, be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know every time we upload. Remember, guys, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.